Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare tomato rasam. Firstly, let's take 6 mid-sized tomatoes, pepper, chopped coriander leaves, cumin, ginger, garlic, chilies, curry leaves, cinnamon and clove, dhania powder and salt. Now take mortar, add some pepper seeds, cumin, ginger, garlic, chilies, curry leaves, cinnamon and clove and grind it coarsely. Take this paste into one bowl and keep it aside. Now let's chop tomatoes into 4 pieces and keep it aside. Now add around liter of water, sliced tomatoes and some rock salt and close the lid. Let it boil until tomatoes get softened. Once done, transfer it into a bowl. Now smash the tomatoes, transfer its water into a pan. Add grinded masala, some tamarind juice, dhania powder, coriander leaves. Now add some tadka to it. Tomato rasam is ready. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.